In their prime, sino nga ba ang mananalo kapag nag one-on-one? Si James Yap at si PJ Simon. When I was growing up in the Philippines actually, itong dalawang to yung paborito kong players. James Yap being my childhood hero and si PJ Simon, si super sub ang tawag sa kanya nung time na yun. Before siya naging si scoring apostle. James Yap is a 6'3" shooting guard. Man with a million moves. Has a unlimited range. Has a hang time. Has big hands. You know, can do multiple things with the basketball sa ere. The former PBA MVP, naiiwas-iwas niya yung bola sa defender niya sa ere, which is isa sa mga asset ni James Yap. And then PJ Simon is a 5'11" bar or 6 flat shooting guard also who is known for his scoring. Scoring machine din ito si PJ Simon, no? Ang lupit ng hook shot nito, may 3 points din to. Scorer talaga to. So pag nagwa-1-on-1 sila ni James Yap, sino nga ba yung mananalo sa kanilang dalawa? This one I would go with James Yap because he's an MVP for a reason, di ba? And he's also taller at 6'3" compared to 5'11". That's a lot of height difference. And James Yap also has a bigger body compared to PJ Simon. And James Yap has a lot of moves. Kaya niyang pumoste. He has unlimited range. Talagang kahit anong klaseng depensa ibigay mo sa kanya, makaka-pull up siya from anywhere. Yung ability talaga ni James Yap na kayang iiwas-iwas yung bola over a defender sa ere. Kahit anong defense ang ibigay mo kay James Yap, he's gonna be able to pull up from anywhere in the court. And napatunayan na nga niya countless times sa career niya that he can make those big shots when it counts. So for this one, I would go with James Yap.